Hi there! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect your existing TikTok Shop products to your Shopify store using the SPL app. Let's get started. Method 1. Auto Connect. AI Connect. The easiest way to sync existing TikTok Shop products is by using the AI Connect feature. Here's how. Open the TikTok Shop, SPL app in your Shopify admin. Go to the Products tab and click on TikTok Products. Select the product you want to sync. Click AI Connect. The app will automatically match your TikTok products with existing Shopify products using title, SKU, or barcode. Method 2. Manual Connect. If your product doesn't connect automatically through AI Connect, you'll see two options. Option 1. Create a new product. If the TikTok product doesn't exist in your Shopify store, click Create a New Product. The SPL app will pull product details from TikTok. A brand new Shopify product will be created using that data. Option 2. Connect the existing. If the product already exists in Shopify, click Connect the existing search and select the correct Shopify product. Link it to your TikTok product. Confirm the connection. And that's how you connect TikTok products in SPL, either by creating a new product or linking to one that already exists. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And until next time, happy selling!